And for our recipe today, we can't forget gohan, which is Japanese cooked rice. I'm using short grain Japanese rice, but you can use long grain as well. Now add the same amount of water and turn it on. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. Let's start with the Napa cabbage. And here the amount is to taste. You can estimate about how much each person will eat. Cut here in the middle and into large pieces like this. And remember, you can add any vegetables you want. A carrot, this one is big, and cut it like this. See? And the thickness should be about this, not too thick. And it's a healthy recipe that brings the family together around the table. Bell pepper to taste. It can be green or red as well. And here, cut it like this. Medium-sized pieces, right? Like this. The yellow bell pepper is also really good because it's very mild. And if you also have leeks, they go really well in this recipe. Shiitake too, as much as you like. Remember that you can use any other type of mushroom too, even enoki, right? That's the long one with a little head. And I'm going to remove the stem here, right, from the mushroom. You can also leave it on. No problem at all, none. And cabbage. Here it's cabbage to taste as well. I'll cut it here in the middle. Just like this, look. Like this. And it has to look more or less like this. And now the meat. Here I have a piece of ribeye steak from the rib section, which I think is much tastier because of the fat. It's frozen, semi-frozen, right? I took it out about 2 to 3 hours ago and left it in the bottom part of the fridge. It's still hard, but it's not completely frozen. Why? To cut it really thin. If you can go to Libertad and buy this meat that's already prepared, already sliced, right? Really thin, sliced with a machine, it's much better. If you have someone at home who doesn't like to eat vegetables, make this recipe here, and I guarantee they'll start to like it. And here, everything is cut. It has to look like this. Just leave it on this plate. And here, I'm going to prepare 3 types of sauce because at home, I like one kind, my wife likes another, and my son likes a different one. But all of them use soy sauce. This one is the light version, but you can use regular soy sauce too. You can add just a little, okay? You don't need to put a lot. Here. And when it's finished, just make a little more so you don't waste anything either. My son's first choice, he likes soy sauce and a little bit of vinegar. About half a teaspoon of regular white vinegar. If you want it more sour, you can add more vinegar. My wife, she likes vinegar. I'll add about half a teaspoon with a little bit of toasted sesame oil, just a drizzle. And for mine, I like to add just a little, about 3 sprays here, of distilled vinegar. Just a little bit of fish dashi. Just a little bit of sesame seeds. And a drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Then you can choose whichever type of sauce you prefer. And if you want to add some spiciness to the sauce, there's this seasoning here, which is shichimi togarashi, right? It's a Japanese chili seasoning. It has 7 kinds of spices in it. Just add a little. This pepper here is really good. Besides being spicy, it has flavor, and we'll use only butter. This one is salted. It can be unsalted too, to fry the meats, the vegetables, and the greens. And to make the batayaki, we'll use this pan here. It's like an electric griddle. It has a hole here, right? And you can find this pan in Asian stores, right? In Libertad as well, and also online. And there's this tray where all the fat drips down. And to turn it on, you just plug it in here. And here we have the temperature control to turn it on, you just turn the knob. It has a maximum and a minimum setting. With the pan hot, just add the butter and spread it all over the pan. A lot of butter. And that's why it's called bataya, which means butter. And it refers to the way it's prepared. We can add the carrots first, since they're harder, and let them fry. Bell pepper. Cabbage. Shiitake. Bell pepper, Chinese cabbage. And the meat? Bell pepper, which is the main ingredient. And you can keep adding more butter, right? If you think there's not enough, just keep adding and keep turning it. And frying. It's really a family dish. You just gather everyone around the table and keep making and eating and talking too. You can't forget the hot rice. It just came out. There's nothing better than making it at home at dinner time on the weekend, gathering the family and eating.